So this error is the duplicate ID error, and I'm going to go ahead and scan this page. And as soon as this is done scanning, all right, there we go, duplicate ID. So let me hover over this here, and it says ID attribute value must be unique. And if I click that, we get this nonsense here. So what does this mean exactly? Let me go ahead and exit out of this, and you'll see that this first line is highlighted, and the text on these paragraphs here says, I have ID equals this ID, and I also have ID equals this ID. So this is actually a programming issue, but however, oftentimes you can actually look into here and find um, within the content you can actually find that they actually have similar IDs. Um, if it's not a content-based one, if it's like some sort of element that you might find in the top nav or even in the footer of the page, um, feel free to let us know and we can help you out with that. But if you happen to come across this error and it's in a content area, you can actually open up the editor for that area. And let me maximize this. And the error is actually with both of these lines. I know the first line was actually highlighted with the red border, but this one actually has the error also. Let me go ahead and click the source. And this line right here, ID equals this ID, and ID equals this ID. This is the duplicate ID error here. It's that both of these elements have the same ID. And this is an error because, in terms of coding or in website development and design, these IDs are essentially going to have the same attributes. So it's saying we have two completely separate elements that are going to have the exact same formatting and exact same design, which isn't ideal because it makes things difficult for screen readers. So let's go ahead and remove these here and publish now. And now I'll scan the page, and you'll see that the ADA compliance error has gone away.